Welcome to the first remote learning assembly for the 2021 school year. For those of you who are new to WIS, my name is Miss Beth and I'm the primary school principal. I know we all would like to be back in school and the school year is starting a little differently than what we had hoped, but it's important that we make the best of the situation to keep a positive attitude and apply the learner profile attributes to your work and to your actions. The remote learning will look a little different than you experienced last term. You'll be online every day with your teacher, your homeroom teacher, or one of the specialist teachers, and they'll be giving you instructions and telling you more about the tasks that are in the learning plans. It's important that you listen and that you follow directions just like you would in the classroom. And now it's time to recognize the birthdays and to welcome our new students. For those of you who are new, if your name isn't mentioned today, your name will be mentioned next week's assembly. We'll begin the learner profile recognition in a few weeks. We have a few changes to that, but I'll keep you in suspense and you'll learn more about that as we go in a couple of weeks. So now, on with the assembly. Have a great week and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now. We have many new students that we are welcoming to WIS. We'll begin with our Namibian students. We have Anthony in EY1, Dantago and Landon are also in EY1. Emilia, Aiden, and Abigail are in EY2. Continuing, we have Ariana, Dana, Nathan, Noah, and Pierce in 1D, and Calliope and Vihan in 1J. Joining 2D are Craig and Kate, and we are welcoming back Dunya in 3C. In 4D, we welcome Chloe, and in 4K, Jacques. 5A is being joined by Annabeth, Dijon, and Alex. Joining us from Tanzania are Muhammad in 4K and Eunice in 4D. And from the US, we have Felix, who is also from Namibia as well, in 1J, and Carolyn in 5A. We wish you all a good start to the year, and we welcome you to WIS. And now if everybody will join me to wish them well. 1, 2, 3, whoosh!